I have a routine of working inside co-working spaces. And you can also find me working in coffee shops. It's because I tend to be more productive pag nandoon ako. Wala talaga akong space sa bahay wherein na may office ako or space na conducive for working. Kasi nasa likod ko yung kama, ano yung mangyayari, di
That's
ba?
true. Yeah, that's me.
Yan.
Lagi like yun yung mahirap lang talaga because you're prone to distractions.
Prone to distraction.
Yeah, and I think maganda lang is what Ian is doing is parang ilalagay mo yung sarili mo sa tamang environment to actually work, you know. So kung meron kang separate na lugar sa bahay nyo, like if you are work from home, gawan nyo ng parang sariling office and then after that, focus lang kayo ng work doon. If wala naman kayong separate space talaga, just like in Ian's case, coffee shops,
Co-working
spaces talaga just so that you can focus on work. Ang maganda rin doon is that since people who go into coffee shops or mga co-working spaces are where nandun talaga para mag-work or mag-study, parang nagaganahan ka rin. You also like to do what you're about to do kasi nga the other people are doing it.
Your environment plays a huge factor to your productivity. Always remember that, guys.
Ayun, yun no.